Hi and welcome to another episode. Today we have the electrician here. Me and my father are working on the bathroom as usual, as well as some other things. So yet again Anna's been to the butcher.
Giving everything for the dogs.
So we have mainly been working on this part, which is where the boiler will sit, and because the plumber is coming to just have a brief overlook over the connections that we're going to do here. It's not going to do any work today. We are also preparing to mount a fan here. Hey Anna!
Hi!
Everyone's here. Anna and the dogs. Jimmy, and this is the result. Great window in the background, beautiful. We are having a lovely day here. Weather is amazing, but me and my father are working indoors with the bathroom at the moment. So we are stuck in here, and we have also done these doors. So we have mounted these old locks, I'm not sure the correct word for them. These came from our old set of doors that we found in the basement, and we are obviously going to paint this and those. Yeah, we have some work to do on the inside of the door, but now it's locked at least, so 2 doors secured, just missing the windows. Onwards towards the bathroom or build. So we're what are we doing?
I have no idea.
We are installing the aqua board, which is going to go here and here for the for this corner, and then we are going to continue with the normal plasterboards. So a small little update. We are working on the insulation for this bit. We are then going to put plasterboard up. We have installed the drain for the washing machine, and we have this little bit left. The electrician is here to do some cabling here for the boiler and for the kitchen and the gym rooms. Anna is in there sanding the walls in the kitchen, and the dogs are guarding the battlefield. Yet again, I haven't filmed much today. We have placed the boiler, and we are still working on these ones. Yeah, so slowly making progress. So what we are going to do is remove the gates, or at least the doors of the gates. The post itself we are going to keep for a few more days, and then remove those as well. So for this build we are doing everything in the wrong order. So, yes, we are. We are now gonna put an internal wall here to house the water tank, which probably should have been done a long time ago. Anyway, it's gonna happen now. A windy day today. We are installing the air conditioning tubes. So the tubes for the air condition is in. That's the external connections, and the electricians are working on the bathroom. My father is working on the plasterboards up there. Anna's doing a bit of a cleaning, and I'm walking around with a camera in my hand. Yeah, so this is the progress so far. As soon as we get the windows, we can start plastering these walls, which we can't do at the moment, unfortunately. And this will probably be the last thing that my father does for this time. But he'll be back soon.
I'll be back in May.
In May?
For Formula 1.
Oh, okay. I thought for work. Yeah, May, Imola. Imola Grand Prix. Okay.
Ciao.
Yeah, he's leaving. He'll be back. Okay, see you soon.
Bye-bye.
Ciao.
Hey.
Hi everyone! So we're back with just 2 doggies because the other 2 got adopted by a wonderful family in Bologna. They were just with us temporary until they found their forever home, and now they have. So of course we miss them, but we are truly happy for them that they found their forever home. So here we are, just Jimmy and Tony.
Yeah. I think the other dogs will have a great time. So I thought I should do a short segment of other houses built by the same architect as ours. This house has some similarities to ours. For example, the waves that we have on top of our house, this one has. That's our dogs causing chaos. As well as the flower decorations underneath here are very similar to those next to our entrance. And next up I am gonna do another house which is just a few hundred meters from here, and that house is also by the same architect. So that is this way. Actually this one is not by the same architect, but it's quite cool, so I thought I would film it anyway. It's like an old medieval castle. I quite like it actually. It's next to this one. But yeah, we are going this way. So the next house I want to show you is this one. It's also his design, and this was newly renovated about, I don't know, about 5 years ago I think. Me and Anna have actually visited this house a while back when we bought our house. We went to have a visit at this house just to see the interior, etc. I can show you a few pictures of the house here on the screen. Yeah, so that's it. And the third house is up on this road. I'll show you that in a bit. So the third house is this one. It's one of his earlier houses. The one we have is the last house he built. And as I said, this one is earlier. Unfortunately, this door is not open because normally it's open, and the interior of this hallway is amazing. I'll see if I can get a video of that at some point when it's open. So this morning we had a few errands. We went and picked up the knob. I'll show you that in a bit. And this happened. We are doing even more electricity in the stables. So yeah, bit of a chaos. A few light fixtures, some sockets, etc. So this is the new knob. It's obviously not fixed yet, but basically how it's gonna turn out. We need to change the width of the insert or change this. I'm not sure what we'll do. Anyway, it doesn't really fit.
But it's going to be beautiful.
Yep. Very happy. Yeah, so great. And this is the air conditioning that we are hopefully gonna mount in a few days. We'll see. So my, sorry about the wind, guys. So my father has left, but we have another guest coming in a couple of weeks. And with that, I'm gonna end the episode here. Until next time, ciao.